happening in here?
Oh, come check this out. I got the soundboard with all these sound effects.
What can you do with that?
Haven't you ever been a teenager, man? You just call people up and screw with them.
How? Alright. Check it out.
Hey, Tim! Hey, what's up? Dude, I'm at a carnival. Yeah, no, you know what? No, you should come. No, seriously, you should, like, there's a ton of hot chicks here. Like, you need to get here. Yeah, it's like 6 blocks north here. Yeah. Yeah, okay, cool. No, I'll meet you there. Bye. Like that.
Yeah.
Here, dude, you do one. You could be riding an elephant.
No, it's good. The droid's missing. I'm gonna go cold in the desert. Hopefully I'll find something. We'll see what happens.
What?
You know.
Okay, whatever. I'll just do more myself. Hey, lady, what's up? Hey, I got a gift certificate to this restaurant. Yeah, you know that one you really like? Yeah, okay. So do you wanna meet me there? Cause I mean, I got you covered if you. Yeah. I'm actually on the patio right now, so if you wanna just come over and. Yeah, see you soon. Bye. This is awesome. Yeah.
Dude, that lead violinist is hot.
What? I think you have the wrong number.
No, check her out. Well, not like in that classic hot kind of way, but in that nerdy, she could cross my bow kind of way.
What the hell? Hello?
I'd like to report a kidnapping.
Ma'am, the number you want is 911. You dialed way too many.
Don't mess with me. I know what number I dialed. I want my Johnny back.
What the hell is going on? Hello?
I planted a bomb at Gate T. You have 15 minutes to transfer the money, or we'll set it off.
What the hell?
Bailey!
What?
There's a bomb in the toilet!
What? Tim?
Hey, I just got off the Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel.
The one that's right outside here.
What?
Yeah. Gotcha.
Ah, you suck, dude.
Hey, Bailey!
Yeah.
There's still a bomb in the toilet.
Oh shit.